Hello, this is exercise 5 of web development lab, and in this exercise we have to use document object model elements and events in the JavaScript, and we have to create simple functions. The first function is the first website is it will give the shortest and the longest word in if a given string, then a BMI calculator which calculates the BMI, then a fruit farm, a currency converter, a coin flip and a birthday cake order form. So let's go and mm, check the codes of these experiments. The first one is the split one. So here I have used a function called long_str which takes when triggered gets the element of the input and uses a for loop and finds out if the length of string of I is greater than 1, then L should be string of I plus 1. Similarly, I have used another for the smallest word, and using another for loop I have done this. Finally, to display these longest word and the shortest word, I have used the another for loop for displaying the longest and the shortest word. So this is the first one. Second is the BMI calculator. Here I have used the get the element using document.get element by ID and its value, and then I have calculated B is equals to W upon H in X square, and I have used the if else statement to check whether it's underweight, normal, overweight or obese, and I have displayed it in another input criteria. The coin flip uses the same method. We get an event listener dot click. Whenever it's click, we can generate a random number, and if we check if it's less than 0.5, the coin should be a header, or if it's greater than, it should be a tail. Then we use a currency converter which converts the US dollars into Indian or vice versa. So we have done using the JavaScript. So let's go and check these programs. So the first one is to get the split how many the longest word. So let's try I am Lovell. So we can see the longest word is Lovell and the shortest word is I. Next one is BMI calculator. Let me give my weight as 60 kgs and height in meters will be 1.2 something. So if I get the BMI, it shows that the BMI index is this much and the body type is this much. Let's convert. I want to convert 29 in US dollars to Indian rupees. So let's, if we calculate, it's equal to 1000 this much rupees. And next is to birthday cake order. I enter the quantity of 2. 1 kg is of 1 kg I enter as 1 and 2 kgs I enter 3. I give a tip of 10%, so calculate order. So we get the output. So this was done using JavaScript and document object model. So this is the exercise